Hello each and everyone, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here with another amazing recipe. For those of you who are new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe if you're watching right now. I'm Chef Will, you're on Will's Kitchen Table. I'm gonna be making some pancakes today, but these are some Greek yogurt pancake, really fluffy pancakes, guys. It's gonna be up flavor. Alright, so we're gonna get started right now with these fluffy Greek yogurt pancakes. Alright, so I got 2 cups of flour right here, guys. I'm gonna sift this flour right in here, but we're gonna start off with all the wet ingredient first. Alright, so I got 4 cups of flour, and I'm using 1.5 cups of milk right here. I'm gonna use half a cup of the Greek yogurt. I got 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and I got 2 teaspoons of vanilla right here, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I got 1 tablespoon of sugar. All right, this is white sugar. You can use brown if you like, your choice. And I got 2 eggs right here. So right now we're just gonna get the eggs right in this bowl right here, just like that. Mix that right up. I'm gonna add my sugar right in there, vanilla, and we're gonna pour the milk right inside. Beautiful. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add the baking powder right to the flour. You can sieve that all together, and the salt can go right in as well. All right. And the yogurt, we're gonna do 1/2 cup of the Greek. So this is plain Greek yogurt, guys. So nice and rich. So flat, 1/2 cup. Of that beautiful Greek yogurt. Just gonna scrape every bit of it out. What we're gonna do, we're gonna use some of this Greek yogurt to make a topping for that pancake. I'm gonna show you guys that as well in a little bit. Just gonna mix this together. Beautiful. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do now with our flour going in. Guys, I know the kids love pancakes, so hey, yourself as well. You got time, you can make this, put it in your fridge. You can drop a pancake anytime. And as I said, this is just 2 cups of flour I'm using. And if you have some berries you want to put in your pancakes, blueberries or strawberries, you can do that as well. Bananas, whatever you have, you can add to your pancakes when you're making it. So nice and smooth when you sieve the flour. You don't have much lumps in your pancakes. This batter is coming together nicely. So we're just gonna add the rest of this flour. You don't want to put all 2 cups at a time to get it all lumpy. This is the best way to do it. You get a really good result. Beautiful. You use your whisk, work out the muscles. Beautiful. Look at that. So simple. Beautiful, guys. This is how you want it. That's the texture you're looking for right there. Perfect pancake batter. I'll just pull it up again. You guys can see there's no lump inside. It should be falling like that. Alright, that's your perfect pancake batter right there. It's gonna be a really fluffy one. So we're gonna set this aside, guys. I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna put in my topping right here. So we're gonna set this aside and get another bowl, and we're gonna get started on that one. So right here, guys, we're gonna use up about another half a cup of this yogurt that left in here. I'm just gonna use it all up just to mix this topping. Don't want to waste anything. Get all of it out. Every bit of it. Alright. Next thing I'm gonna do, I got some fresh lemon juice right here. I'm gonna squeeze right into this yogurt. I just need about a tablespoon. Perfect. Alright. So now, I'm gonna get some honey. I'm gonna squeeze 1, 2 tablespoons inside of that honey. We're just gonna mix this together. So this is plain Greek yogurt, guys. And if you want, you can tip a little bit of cinnamon inside as well. Gives it great flavor if you guys love cinnamon. So let's give this a try. Wow, that's amazing. Nice tang from the lemon juice, the honey, that sweetness coming out, the yogurt flavor. Wow, it's up. All right, so we're gonna get these pancakes on the stove top. Then we're gonna get this topping right on it. We can have some pancakes. All right, let's get going. So right here, I just use a little bit of butter to grease the bottom of this pan right here. And I'm gonna drop my pancake right inside. I'm gonna make them smaller, not a big size. Beautiful. See that nice, beautiful color on the outside there? That's what you're looking for. So you can tell when your pancakes are ready to flip. You can see these little bubbles on top. You know, yes, it's time to flip it over. All right, that's how it works. All right, guys, that's the last one. So I just made 3 of them, so that should be enough. Just let these gonna cool down a little bit before I put the sauce on top. All right, guys, it's time. Put some syrup on these pancakes. Just like that. Looking lovely. I'm gonna cut into it for you guys. I'm gonna let you guys know how these pancakes taste. I just want to show you guys. So fluffy. It's gonna be one of the fluffiest pancakes you ever had, guys. Wow. Look at that texture. So soft. Wow. This is like heaven. Wow. It's beautiful. That's the texture on this pancake. And that nice yogurt sauce right there. Put a little bit on top like that. Where it goes. Wow. Guys, guess what? Flavor. Up. It's up again. Alright? Wow, those are good. That's really good. So alright, I just want to say thanks for watching again. Keeping liking and sharing the videos. If you're new onto the channel right now, don't forget to hit the button subscribe. Share with your friends and families. Just want to say thumbs up and thanks again. Catch you in the next one.